hitti þau í Iðu og spjallaði stuttlega við þau. Það var mikill heiður að fá að tala við þessa snillingar sem gáðu sér góðan tíma. Já, stórstjörnunar í taekwondo hérna í Iðu og Selfossi og já, þau eru búin að þjálfa hérna í alla morgun og já, welcome again to Iceland.
Thank you for having us.
Yeah, it's very cold now. Was it like this last year when you came here?
No, it's a lot colder this time. I think it's -8 when we came this morning. We're not used to it. Like, it is cold in England, but this is freezing. So, but everyone said nice and welcoming, so it doesn't really matter.
Yeah, so everything got warm.
Yeah.
Now it's your second time in Iceland. Why did you guys come again?
It's actually my third time. It's mine and Bianca's second time, yeah. But everyone's so welcoming, and they're great bunch of kids and adults to train with and to teach, and yeah, we really enjoy coming here and sharing our experiences. And it's nice to see everyone like a year later, like especially the kids, and they're getting bigger and better, and it's nice to see that. So we hope to make it a regular thing and keep coming back and sharing our experiences.
You both are superstars in this sport. It's unbelievable how much time you are giving the kids and stuff like that. How do we have time for this?
Well, we don't really see ourselves as, superstars. We just, it's something that we've loved. We fell in love with this sport just like everybody here. We all had the same dream. We were all in the same position, and we're just lucky to be in a position now where we're getting a little bit older and maybe our career's coming to an end. There's still things that we want to achieve, but we enjoy giving back some of our experiences, and it's nice to teach some things that we've learned and to see someone doing something that we've taught them or something like that. It gives a nice satisfaction.
How is it when you guys are arguing to each other? Do you just explain it in sparring, or? Yeah,
we just have a good spar. No, but it's just nice, like you said, like to show the next generation, because you never know, someone from this room now could be the next world champion, Olympic champion, and it's just nice to see that the future's bright in taekwondo and everyone's getting better, and it's just really nice to be on their journey with them.
When did you start in taekwondo?
I started when I was 11, actually. I was quite late compared to Aaron. I think Aaron started when you were 4, didn't you? 5. Yeah, so I've been doing it now for 15 years, so I just enjoy every minute of it, and yeah, we just like giving a bit back.
Yeah. So you guys are always helping each other in the sport?
Yeah, definitely. I train with the GB Taekwondo team, but we train together sometimes, nearly most days, and we can just try and help each other push for that Olympic gold in Tokyo, so hopefully try and win together.
So who is then cooking and controlling the kitchen?
I would say me, because my name's Cook. So. Sometimes I cook, sometimes Bianca cooks, sometimes we go out, because most of the time we're too tired after training to sit there and watch Gordon Ramsay do a 3-hour meal. But no, we eat out most of the time, to be honest. Yeah.
We love burgers. Actually, we do love the burgers here in Iceland.
Yeah.
I can't remember what's the place called.
I'm not sure of the name,
but it's
burgers, milkshake.
Yeah, it's absolutely gorgeous. They should be known for the burgers.
What about talking about practice? How much do you guys practice? Are you all day in taekwondo?
Yeah, so we train every day for 6 hours a day, 2 taekwondo sessions and a weight session, and then we have the weekends off to come here and teach the little kids. So we do train a long time, and our body goes through a lot of training, a lot of mental training as well. So I think we're going to go another 4 years or something, and then that's us out.
It's hard to be a professional in the sport, and there are many kids who wants to be a professional. What is your idea? Everybody can be a professional, right?
To be a professional, to be at the top, it's the little things that you do that make you the professional. It's not just to train hard, to not turn up on time and eat the right stuff, give everything you've got, listen, everything. It's all them little things into one. So if you can manage the little things day by day, then it'll all come into one.
Now you're going to travel through Iceland, on the south of Iceland. Where are you going to go? Do you know that?
We're looking forward to tomorrow. I think one of the parents and the kids today, they're going to take us. I'm not sure exactly where we're going, but they said it's 5 hours away, so hopefully some glaciers or some of the things where the Game of Thrones was filmed would be pretty nice. Yeah.
Really?
That'd be cool. We're looking forward to it.
Have a good trip, and thank you very much for giving us advices.
Oh no, thank you very much. I'd say thank you in Icelandic.
Tack, is it tack?
Yeah.
Tack. Thank you very much.
Thank you. Cheers.
Það var maður.
Þú ert að hlusta á sportþáttinn Mánudagskvöld á Suðurland FM.